Everyone drinks water. That's not a business idea, that's just life. But packaging that water, now that's where the money is. Plastic bottle manufacturing is a booming business. Why? Because we use bottles for everything. Water, soda, juice, even peanut butter. Thinking about jumping into the world of plastic bottles? Great, there's a lot of opportunity out there for a smart entrepreneur. But remember, every business has its challenges. We're going to break it all down, step by step. By the end, you'll know if this business is the right fit for you. Ready to dive in? Let's go! First things first, you got to know your customer. Who's buying all these plastic bottles? Everyone. Think about it. Beverage companies are the big players. They need bottles for their sodas, juices, and of course water. But it's not just drinks. Food companies, cleaning product manufacturers, even pharmaceutical companies all use plastic bottles. The market is huge. And guess what? It's only getting bigger. People are busier than ever. They want convenience. That means more bottled drinks, more on-the-go products, and more plastic bottles. The demand is there. Now, let's talk about how to meet it. Not all plastic bottles are created equal. They're made from different types of plastic. Understanding these materials is key to making the right product for the right customer. PET, or polyethylene terephthalate, is your workhorse. It's lightweight, shatterproof, and perfect for water and soda bottles. Then you've got HDPE, or high-density polyethylene. This one's more rigid, good for things like milk jugs and detergent bottles. There's more, but those two are your bread and butter. Choosing the right material comes down to what you're putting in the bottle. Do your research. Talk to potential customers. Find out what they need. Now for the fun part, the manufacturing. It all starts with tiny plastic pellets. These get melted down and injected into molds. Boom! You've got a bottle. Sounds simple, right? It's a bit more complicated than that. You've got heating, stretching, blowing, cooling, the whole 9 yards. But don't worry, we'll dive deeper into the equipment later. The important thing is to have a streamlined process. Efficiency is key. Time is money, and the faster you can churn out bottles, the more profit you'll make. Section 5. The machines that make it happen. Your bottling arsenal. You can't make bottles without the right tools. The machinery is the heart of your operation. We're talking injection molding machines, blow molding machines, cooling systems, conveyors, the list goes on. This stuff isn't cheap. You're looking at a significant investment up front. But remember, this equipment is built to last. It's an investment in your future success. Don't skimp on quality. Buy the best you can afford. And don't forget about maintenance. A well-maintained machine is a productive machine. Section 6, dotting the I's and crossing the T's, legalities and licenses. We're almost ready to start making bottles, but first, the boring stuff, legal and regulatory requirements. Don't worry, it's not as bad as it sounds. You'll need to register your business, get the necessary permits and licenses, and comply with environmental regulations. The specifics will vary depending on where you're located. My advice? Talk to a lawyer and an accountant. They'll help you navigate the legal and financial maze. It's better to be safe than sorry. Section 7. Show me the money turning bottles into bucks. Okay, now for the part you've all been waiting for. Making money. There are a few ways to do this in the bottle business. You can sell directly to beverage companies, becoming their go-to bottle supplier. You can also explore custom bottle manufacturing. Think unique shapes and sizes for specialty products. Don't forget about pricing. You need to find that sweet spot, competitive enough to win business, but profitable enough to keep the lights on. It's a balancing act, but you got this. Section 8. Challenges and triumphs. Navigating the bottled water business. Starting any business is tough. The plastic bottle industry is no different. You'll face competition, fluctuating material costs, and ever-changing regulations. But don't let that scare you. With hard work, a solid plan, and a bit of hustle, you can overcome these challenges. Remember, the demand for plastic bottles is only going up. There's plenty of room for your business to thrive. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and make some bottles. The world is thirsty and you've got the solution.